Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the DeerRun remote control replacement for Treadmills walking pad. Now, if you've been using a walking pad and you're in need of a reliable replacement remote, this might just be the solution for you. It's designed to work seamlessly with all walking pads in the DeerRun store, and the best part is that it's an exact match for your original remote. One thing that stands out is the ergonomic design. The remote feels comfortable in hand, making your workout experience even more convenient. The color is sleek and black, blending in with the modern aesthetics of most treadmills. And let's not forget about the simplicity of the button control. It's straightforward and user-friendly. What's reassuring is that this remote supports a maximum of one device, so there's no need to juggle between different controllers. Plus, the fact that it's specifically tailored for DeerRun walking pads means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. In summary, the DeerRun remote control replacement is a great option if you want a hassle-free replacement for your walking pad remote. It retains all the functionality of the original, ensuring a smooth transition without any compromises. If you're in the market for a reliable and ergonomic remote control, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.